Hey everyone, it is Lisa. Happy Monday. How's everyone doing? I am just checking in. I just kind of wrapped up my last meeting for work. How about you guys? It's 5:15 Eastern time here, and I got to tell you something. I'm looking out my office window. The sun is shining, and you know what that means? Can you believe it's daylight savings like this Sunday? I think everybody, we were talking in the office today in our meetings. We're like, how does that happen? Anne-Marie, you are first on the board. You win. You are first on the board. So how's everybody doing? Happy Monday. What's going on? You guys having a good day today? I truly cannot believe. So it's daylight savings time on Sunday, which means I'm looking outdoors now and it's what, 5:15 p.m. that at 6:15 p.m., this is what it's going to look like. Spring ahead, right? Oh my gosh. Hi, Carol. Hi, Wanda. How you doing? Hi, Natalie. Hi, Lynn. How is everybody doing? Hi, Patty. Hi, Greta. Hi, Rhonda. All right, so I'm checking in. I was just saying, I just wrapped up like my last meetings and I wanted to talk to you about the must-have. I got lots of sneak peeks. Like I got to show you guys some stuff. But anyway, hold on. Hey, everybody. Hey, Teresa. I love that. I love Bunny. Bunny, this is your time of year. We got lots of bunnies. That's for sure. Hi, John. How are you? Hi, Daphne. All right. So you guys know, so Easter is April 9th. First day of spring is March 20th. So everything is right around the corner. Oh, everybody's jumping on. Hi, everybody. Hi, Joy. Joy. Look how cute these are. I can't, you guys. Did you guys see the must-have for today? So I'm going to show you one, but you actually get a set of three. So it is these absolutely adorable little, we're calling them our egg hunt chick ramekins. They're 12 ounces in capacity. You get three. Oh, where are they available? Over on temp-tations.com. That is temp-tations. I put the link in here so you can just literally click right there. Janet's here and Cheryl's here and Jules here and Daphne's here and Wanda's here. I know. It's daylight savings time, Wanda, this weekend. I'm so excited because that means like summer is right around the corner. Joy, you know what that means? Yes. It means summer. And we all know what summer means. It means nice, quiet, a little bit easier, breezier. Alicia's here and Kathy's here and Jody's here and Jennifer here and Heike's here. All right. So Tara's must-have is something that Tara has created or designed just for you. Something she loves to have in her house that is pretty and practical and purposeful. And this one is cuteness overload. And it's so affordable because you get three of these for under 20 bucks. So look how cute these are. I know Valerie says they're too cute for work. So these are ramekins and the top comes off. How cute is that? So I literally have them behind me. Like you can see them up here. I could literally like just put them into my shelf anywhere, right? These are so cute for layering into your home decor, putting them down the center of your table, or these are bakeware as too because they're ramekins. So you could put like your crudités in here. You could put your hot dips, your cold dips, your cream cheese, your butters, your salsa, your guac, all that kind of stuff right in here. And then here's my favorite part, the little chick lid. It's a chick lid. Instead of a chick lit, it's a chick lid. The chick lid, I know, Jen, isn't this adorable? Goes right on top. So like if you wanted to do a hot dip, you can put both pieces right in the oven, get it all bubbly. Oh, how about this? You could do mac and cheese in here. Like if it's just you and your hubby for dinner because you get a set of three. I can't hold three, but here's what I can do because I've lived a lot of different ideas for you. So you could put it on a pedestal. These are available over at QVC. Actually on temp-tations.com too, I believe. So where do you find the link? Head on. It should be in this chat somewhere. Hold on. I thought I added. Hold. If I lose you, I'll come back. I thought I added the link. Oh, here, show. I got to tell you, I'm learning something new every day. Can you guys see the link now? I just clicked show. I don't see it. Do you guys see the link to temp-tations.com? Can somebody tell me, like, give me a thumbs up, like, yes, I saw the link. I really did put it there. Hold on. Let me click this again. Nope, it says it's there. I'm not sure where, but it says I posted it. Oh, you guys see it? Why can't I see it? Yes. I love when technology works out. It's not always that easy, especially when you're on the side, trust me. All right, so look what I did here. I took one of them. By the way, these are under 20 bucks for three. So we're talking, what's that? Like $6 and change a piece? Thank you guys for letting me know the link is there. Just click on that link and go on over to temp-tations.com. But look how cute this is. You could put it on a pedestal so that it literally, like, can you imagine if you had 3 of these down your table? And you can face them this way or that way. But this is all hand-painted stoneware, you guys. And this is all embossed. What does that mean? Like, look at this. It's like a cracked egg, right? So here's the part that cracked. Here's the adorable little face. And then this is all raised right here. Like, see when I turn it side to side? Look how cute this is. Yeah. Ooh, Sherry said make a bundt cake and put the chick in the middle. How cute would that be? A little individual bundt cake. Put the little chick in here. Okay, before I give you more ideas, I got to show you one other thing. The salt and pepper shakers. How cute is this? It's our egg hunt 3-piece chick salt and pepper shaker under 15 bucks. So like if you can swing it, the whole set. But wait, like the plate alone, how cute is that? I know. Like these are the things that just make you smile. And they're just so cute. Put them on your Easter table, in your spring table. Layer them in your mantle. Put them on in Easter baskets, things like that, because they're really sweet little gifts. Or maybe I do adult Easter baskets for my kids. My husband keeps on saying, how old are you when you still get Easter baskets? And I say, I'm looking for one still. For my husband, I think you should give me one. We do a family Easter basket too. I know Janet says adorable. Marianne says cute. Nancy's here. So again, you get a set of 3. Let me show you some different ideas. So fabulous for bakeware. Put them in your charcuterie board. Bake in them. You could do little Easter cupcakes in here. Put your jelly beans in here. Like there's so many things. How you guys give us some ideas. How would you use all 3 of these? I'm going to bring them all 3 in. So look what I did here. I put it in the cloche. If you have our cloche, look how sweet this is to put it in. Come on. Isn't that so cute? I mean, it's adorable. Seriously. So you get 1. Hold on. You get 2. Hold on. You get 3. You get 1, 2, 3. 10-ounce ramekins with lids for under 20 bucks. Like this could be 3 individual gifts. I love the fact that it's affordable too. So if you wanted to break these into 3 gifts and fill it with some Easter candy or Easter treats and then like bring it over to your neighbor's house, I mean, that's affordable. I love that idea. How about you guys? What are you going to do with it? And then don't forget, cuteness overload. Like look how cute they are together. Come on. Isn't that so adorable? Yeah. Oh, a shamrock cloche. Catherine. Joy, did you hear that? A shamrock cloche. Joy from our team is on. That is cute. Absolutely adorable. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. All 3 of them. It's a Tara's must-have. Click on the link. It'll take you over to temp-tations.com. Hey, while you're there, check out our warehouse sale. Check out Tara's Treasures. Like, we got some good stuff going on over there. So you get all 3 of these. And then, hold on, I had to give you the sneak peek. Joy, I hope I'm not going to get in trouble, but did you guys see this? Look at this. Hold on. I don't think I'm supposed to do this, but I am. So, we have an online special deal coming up for QVC. I think it's this weekend. The clocks are back. So be sure on Sunday. And it's daylight saving. So, like, time's a ticking. Let's get going. And some of the cutest patterns, maybe even shamrock. I'm just saying, you didn't hear it from me, but Sunday, check out QVC. I think it's Sunday. Is that the 12th? I think that's the right day. Look how cute that is. Yep. Adorable. But right now, oh, does he collect clocks? Yeah, nice. I love that. These guys right here are available on temp-tations.com. Just click the link. What are you guys going to do with this? I need you guys to inspire me and give me some ideas of what you're going to do with your cute little chickadees that you get home. I mean, I'm thinking this is so sweet. So for all my kids, now that I had 2 kids get married this year, I now feel like I have 8 children. I used to have 4. I now have 8 with significant others. So I love the fact, really, putting each one of these in an Easter basket, putting some cute, put a gift card in here, put some cute candy that you know someone loves in here, put the lid on, and that's something they can keep forever. And then on the bottom, you could put like Easter 2023. Hey, Noelle, how you doing? Oh, Beth, thank you. I washed my hair today. You know, sometimes when you wash your hair, you're like, oh, I like my hair again. Yeah, I was a little bit under the weather this weekend. So I felt like I needed a refresh this weekend, this Monday, you know. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to tell you is that, oh, candy and Dunkin' Donuts gift cards. That's adorable. That's a great idea, Jen. And Pamela says they're darling. I agree with you. Did you see Tara's live yesterday? So one of Tara's favorite cooks, if you will, is Half Baked Harvest, Tegan. Have you guys ever followed her? So Tara makes her dishes all the time because she loves them, and she does have some great recipes. So check out the live from yesterday and see what Tara made. It's an artichoke feta dish that looks absolutely amazing. You guys have to check it out. Go on over and watch it because it's always fun because Ed's in it. You know, it's always fun when Tara does a live because you never know what's going to happen. Oh, Marianne says wrapped candy dips or a covered catch for keys. I love that. I'm always looking for somewhere to put my keys. Yeah, Jen said it looks so good. I agree. You're talking about the half-baked harvest. Absolutely. All right, you guys. Well, happy Monday. Where can you get your 3 chicks for under 20 bucks? Click the link over on temp-tations.com, or you can get the little salt and pepper shaker for under 15 bucks. So for under $34, you can get, hold on, can I do this? You can get all of this. I'm trying all of this. Can we all fit in? No, because it's too much stuff for under $34. But you can get all of this. Yeah, Greg, do you like it? I mean, come on, they're so cute. These are brand new. We've never done anything like this before. I know Noelle says, OMG, so cute. Oh, I know, Miriam, we're going to post the product, or I'm sorry, the finished product today. And I know having Gail in it was so much fun, right? All right, you guys. You guys have a great night. And what's our schedule for the week? Well, we have this must-have today. Check back tomorrow for a weekly deal. Wednesday, we're in the kitchen with Mary and in the kitchen with David, and we have lots of great garden stuff going on. Oh, on Wednesday on temp-tations.com, garden preview, like products you have never seen before. So you guys take care. My little chicks and I are going to go think about what we're doing for dinner tonight. You guys have a great night, all right? We'll see y'all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.